Hey, how you doing? This is Tommy here from Trading with Harmony. Hope you're all having a great week. So then we'll be analysing the market for this week coming from the 12th of April to the 16th, and we'll be going through all the trade setups that we had predicted for last week. Alright, see you in a sec. Thanks. Hey, alright guys then, so it's free then to sign up to my trade alert. So you just need to come down and click on this link, and then you will automatically be signed up into my channel, the Telegram channel Trading with Harmony. Okay guys, so here is my actual real account, right? Okay, so the Telegram channel is signed up to this, and basically all the trades that I do then basically get sent straight within a split second to the actual group, and this is the actual pips that we are up for the actual week, which is 269 pips. So for this week alone, we are up in the actual regions of over 13%. All right guys. Okay then, so last week then we finished down here, and what I was talking about, we're more than likely going to get a nice pullback into this area, and what has happened actually has come back into our actual trading zone area here. So what I'm looking at then is for quite possibly for if price holds in this area, we are good. We're looking for a price to move back down. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and we got a big actual retracement move here, as we can see. So we can see here the actual nice big retracement into our trading zone here, the actual 1.1892 area. So once price then holds in this area, then I'm still looking for price then to continue down south to hit our actual TP level, being the actual 1.1722 in the euro dollar. So the actual pound dollar here, so we can see here the actual move. So we're actually, this is our actually third swing that we're at, an actual crucial stage here at the moment here, right at this actually trading area. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was saying then, if we can get a pullback into our structural area here, being the actual 1.3954 area, and once it holds at this area, we are looking for a move down south. So it has come down, so it's hitting a lot of actual rejection here at this area, but once we get a bit more of a pullback for this week coming, and then if we get price then to continue down south to hit our actual TP target, being the actual 1.3610 in the pound dollar. Okay, so the dollar yen then, like I was saying last week, we got a nice leg up here, and what we were looking for then was we were looking for a pullback into this actual area here, which it did. It came back into this area on the daily candle. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point. It came back into our structural area here, being the actual 109.25, and so for this week then I'm still looking for price then to continue up north to hit our actual TP level, being the actual 112.00 in the dollar yen. So the dollar Canadian then, we did get a finish then for Friday underneath our actual weekly support line. So let's go into the actual 4 hours and have a look at our setups. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about then, once price then holds at this actual trading zone here, which is the zone is between the actual support weekly and the actual top part here being the 1.2629, and once it holds in this area, which it did, you can see it hold at this area. We're still looking for price to continue down south, so it has broken underneath our weekly actually support line, so given the heads up that there is more momentum to the south side as we have predicted. So the thing is then, so for this week coming then, I'm still looking for price then to continue down south to hit our TP level being the actual 1.2640 in the dollar Canadian. So the euro yen then, we can see here that actually price is still moving up north, but this week was very slow actually from the previous week, which we had a really nice rally up from the actual pullback from the previous week. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. Okay then, so last week then we finished here at this point, and it had 3 attempts trying to move up north to hit our TP, but it's getting a lot of actually rejection. You can see from previous weeks it's still this crucial area is trying to break that area. So then for this week coming then, I'm still looking for price then quite possibly will move back a bit more before continuing up north to hit our TP this week and beyond, 131.50 euro yen. So the pound Aussie then, so this week then, like I was saying, we quite possibly will get a nice pullback, which we did. We got a pullback this week, which I was talking about, because the previous week we had a nice move up and hit our actually target, right? Okay, so let's go into the actual 4 hours and have a look at our setup. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about, because we actually hit our target that week previous, that actually more than likely we'll get a pullback. So we got a pullback into our structural area being the 1.7960. So once price holds at this area, I'm still looking for price then to continue up north to hit our actually TP this week and beyond, which will be the 1.8335 in the actual pound Aussie. Okay then, so in gold then, like I was saying last week, that we were looking for price to continue back, even though we're in a descending channel, but I was still talking about that we were looking for price to continue back up north, which it did hit our target. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about then, this structural point down here, once price is above that, we were looking for actual price to continue up north to hit our TP level, which it did. So if you're on that, guys, then well done. So you hit the actual 1745. Okay, so then for this week coming then, so what I'm looking for then is for price then to, once price holds at this actual structural level being the 1722, I'm still looking for price to continue up north to hit the actual very bottom part of our actual descending channel at 1765 in gold. So the Dow Jones, so we're in new territory again this week. So this Friday we're in new territory. So this market just keeps storming up north, yeah. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week then we finished here at this point, and what I was talking about, we were looking for price to continue up north to hit our actual TP, which it did. It continued up north and hit our TP being the 33,500. So for this week then, what I'm looking for then is quite possibly we'll get a bit of a retracement before going back up north to hit our new TP level being the actual 34,100 in the Dow. Hey, alright then guys, that's it then for another great week. So guys, if you already haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up and leave any comments you may have, and I get straight back to you. I appreciate all of that, that's great. And I'll see you next week guys, so have a great one. Take care, all the best, thank you, bye bye.